Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the phone and car connection. Plug in or pair the phone, then unlock it so Android Auto can access settings. Once connected, open the Android Auto app or the in-dash interface and tap the settings gear. Make sure you have developer options or advanced settings visible if needed. Some customization requires them. If you see permission dialogues, accept media and notification access so home screen elements can be adjusted. Now proceed to layout and widget choices. Once in home settings, choose layout or display to change what appears first. You can add or remove apps, set favorite shortcuts, and select which widgets show up. Pick navigation, music, or messaging priorities depending on your driving needs. Tap and hold items on the preview to drag them into preferred positions, or use edit icons to swap icons and sizes. Make sure navigation and media apps are prioritized for quick access. You want the most used functions reachable with one tap while driving. You finish by saving and testing the new home screen while safely parked. If changes don't appear, restart Android Auto, disconnect and reconnect the cable, or toggle Bluetooth. These quick resets often apply layout updates. If issues persist, make sure the Android Auto app and car head unit firmware are updated, and verify app permissions for notifications and background activity. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the Android Auto cache or reinstall the app if the home screen still won't update.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.